Are you dealing with unpleasant fireplace odors? In this video, we'll cover the top tips to keep your fireplace smelling fresh and clean. The most common cause of fireplace odors is soot and creosote buildup inside the chimney. A thorough chimney cleaning can help reduce these odors. If moisture gets into the chimney, it can create a musty smell. Installing a chimney cap helps prevent moisture from entering. Sometimes, odors are caused by poor air circulation or draft issues, which can trap smoke and smells inside your home. Ensuring your damper is fully open while using the fireplace and improving ventilation can help with this. If odors persist, consider using specialized fireplace cleaning products or even hire a professional chimney sweep for a deeper clean. Also, avoid using poor quality wood, which can produce more soot and contribute to stronger odors. Finally, regular fireplace maintenance and annual chimney inspections can go a long way in preventing odors from becoming an issue in the future.